Any log base b of m is y. What are the qualifications for y? Excuse me, m, sorry. Can m be 0?
No. No.
Why not? You're correct. M cannot be 0. Why not? So if we write this in exponential form, b to the y equals m. And so there's no way, no matter what I put in for the y, I'm never going to get 0 for my answer. What else am I never going to get? What do you think about what Derek just said? He said a negative. What do you think? So no matter what, if I put a negative exponent, will I get a negative answer?
No.
No, it just makes it a fraction. So my m has to be greater than 0. It cannot be negative and it cannot be 0. So we're going to use that to solve some equations today. We're going to check for extraneous solutions. So first question, log base 15 k plus 21, k squared plus 21 equals log base 15 of 10k minus 3. Anybody have an idea what we might do there? You want to get rid of something, yes? Get rid of the log on each side. So we're going to make it k squared plus 21 equals 10k minus 3. Now, how do we solve that? What do we do next? Well, thank you for raising your hand.
So you want to minus the 10k and then plus 3. So
good.
0.
Good. So what told him that is that we have the k squared and we have some k's. So in order to do that, we need to be able to factor. We need to set it equal to 0. So we get 0 here and k squared minus 10k plus 24 is 0. What next? We want to factor, so we're going to use the x. What multiplies to 24? That adds to negative 10.
Negative 6.
Oh.
Yes, Steve.
Negative 6 and negative.
That's right.
Oh,
negative 6 and negative 4. So we have k minus 6, k minus 4. And then we use the 0 product property. We set k minus 6 equal to 0, k minus 4 equal to 0. Sorry, I know there's a lot of steps in this. And we get answers of k equals 6 and k equals 4. So we want to check and make sure that this is going to work. We plug in a 6, square it. 36 plus 21 is 56, right? 57. And we get 57 equals 57. So the 6 works. What about the 4? Does the 4 work?
Yeah. It does work because it's not negative.
That's what we want to look for. We want to make sure that what we get inside here is not negative. Not necessarily that this number is not negative, but when we put it back in, that it's not negative. And we get 37 equals 37. So my answers are k equals 6 and 4. Okay, so what do I do on number 3?
Raise your hand.
Multiply the x with x plus.
Good. We're going to write that as one log. Log base 7 of x plus 7 times x equals 18. And, sorry, log base 7 of 18. So this group here, what do we do next after that?
You subtract 18 over to make it 0.
Log.
So we can't do anything yet.
Take out the log.
Yeah, so while we do that, I'm going to make this 18, and then I'm going to simplify here. And I get x squared plus 7x, just to save some time. And then what would we do next here in this group? X squared plus 7x minus 18 is 0. What multiplies to negative 18 that adds to 7?
Right. I had it.
Negative 18 that adds to 7. Yeah, negative 2 and 9. So we have x minus 2 times x plus 9. So x minus 2 is 0. X plus 9 is 0. Okay, and on this one, when we go to check, there is an extraneous solution. If I substitute a negative 9 in for this x here, I get log base 7 of negative 9. Can I have a negative there in this place? I cannot. This one doesn't work. If I plug the 2 in here, I get 2 plus 7 is 9. So I get the log base 7 of 9 plus log base 7 of 2 equals 18, and that one works. That checks. So this one works, the negative 9 does not. Does that make sense why that negative 9 does not work? Okay. One more. What do we do on number 4?
I don't know yet.
Oh, I got it.
Is that 18B or is that check mark?
Oh, you can't because there's no log in
Checks,
the
it works.
There's no log in those.
No, I know what to do.
Yeah.
Don't you do like 7 exponent 1, like first?
Eventually we're going to do that, but our first step is going to, we want to bring these two together.
Oh, you multiply x and x plus 6.
Good.
Then it equals 1.
Equals
And then
1.
you want to switch the 1 with the 7.
You
No,
want to
you're
change
wrong.
that to what form? Exponential form. So our base is 7.
So 7 to the power of 1.
Exponent is 1, and then I'm going to multiply these as I write it. X squared plus 6x. So because of that x squared plus 6x, I need to get it equal to
0.
0. Just go back here. Tell me what to do. I want it to equal to 0. So what would I do to get it equal to 0? Yeah, subtract 7. Good. So I get x squared plus 6x minus 7 is 0. And again, because that x squared and 6x, I want to factor what multiplies to negative 7 that adds to 6.
Negative 1 is 6.
Yep.
Or
No.
7.
Yeah. And so we get x minus 1, x plus 7. X minus 1 is 0. X plus 7 is 0. Then we get x is 1, x is negative 7. So we want to check and make sure that neither one of those is extraneous. One of those extraneous.
Yes.
Which one, Dea?
So, negative
It is, because notice if we put it here, I take the log base 7 of a negative number. I cannot take the log of a negative number. And the 1 will work. Log base 7 of 1 plus log base 7 of 7. Let me write that out. So we would get 1 times 7, or log base 7 of 7 is 1. 7 to the 1 is 7, and that checks. So x equals 1 works. Okay, go ahead and do number 5 as your U try.
Let's go. Let's go, man.
Don't do it.
He says it hard. Or him say it on Call of Duty.
18 negative.
Who usually screams in Call of Duty? Or is this not that one? My cup is crazy. Tetris. Tetris. Chess. I am. Why did you not start number 5? Not started? Started. What's your favorite fast food?
Oh, you should just do it. Find 2 numbers that looks like this.
Hard to find it.
Chipotle. 6 cents. Drink your drink. Chipotle. Drink your drink. It's not even fast food, it's like okay. Like the
I don't know what those
is so good. It's expensive. It's expensive shit, but it's so good. What are you talking about? I said, yeah. You said chicken. I said, yeah. Put special sauce on it. Yeah. No, it's so good. And you have smoothies there? You don't eat healthy food before you go.
I don't know about numbers.
No, and the smoothies there. And like, what's going on with like the yogurt and like the fruity stuff? I don't know where. I need a coke. I need to go get a No, I'll go get one. You're so wrong. You're so Shut up, you just heard us. Wait, was that right? Yeah. Holy shit. Elijah's like, bro, it's dead as 18-4. Like, is it 18-4? I'm doing it. It's not it's a video. What is the person behind you?
Number 5. Questions on that? Any questions?
Yeah, makes sense.
I know what they are. You remind me.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
I
gonna
actually like this map.
I'm skipping 6 and we're gonna go on to number 7.
Ooh. This one looks like a tough one.
Okay, yes, it is a tough one. So what would we do on this one? You a couple that are exponential equations like this on the test. You know what to do?
I'm gonna take a crack at it.
Okay.
Multiply 216 squared minus 10 on both sides.
So
right?
you could. I'm gonna try something different.
Okay. Will that work though?
Yeah,
but you have to get a same base first. Yeah, good.
Oh.
So what do you think about 6 as the same base?
I like that a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
low-key that could work because it could go to
36 we can't, because 36 squared is already bigger than 216. So 6 squared is 36. What do I do with the 2 in the end? Multiply.
Oh my gosh, I'm so smart.
216 is 6 to the third. And what do we do with that in the 2 minus n?
You have to multiply it with the 3.
Yep. And so that's equal to 6 squared.
Yes.
And so at this point, what we can do is we can, when we're dividing, what do we do with our exponents? Don't say it here.
I think that group should do it.
This one's a little bit tricky. When we're dividing, what do we do with our exponents? Subtract. That's right. Ariella. Good. So we're going to take 6 to the 2n minus, if I distribute this, it becomes 6 minus 3n. I have to subtract all of it. So I'm putting it in parentheses. Again, I distributed the 3 times 2 to get 6, 3 times negative n to get negative 3n. And I'm subtracting because I'm dividing. That's the rule when you divide. Follow me so far? So I have 6 to the 2n minus 6 plus 3n equals 6 squared. Now what can I do? I have the same base, right? Or do what with my base? Get rid of it. So we have 2n minus 6 plus 3, and hold on, just almost done. And so we get 5n minus 6 is 2 plus 6. 5n is 8. N equals 8 over 5. Okay.